Once upon a time, in the vibrant lands of Senegal, there lived a man named Cheikh Anta Diop, born on December 29, 1923, in the town of Thaitou. He would go on to become one of Africa's greatest scholars and thinkers. From a young age, Cheikh Anta Diop displayed a thirst for knowledge and a deep love for his African heritage. He understood the importance of history in shaping the present and the future. With his boundless curiosity, he embarked on a lifelong quest to uncover the truth about Africa's rich and ancient past. Diop's studies took him to various corners of the world, where he explored different cultures and societies. He delved into Egyptology, examining the links between ancient Egypt and African civilization. His groundbreaking research challenged the prevailing Eurocentric narratives that had long dominated the study of history. With his seminal work, The African Origin of Civilization, Myth or Reality, Diop presented compelling evidence supporting the idea that ancient Egypt was an African civilization. He argued that Africans had made significant contributions to the world, shaping art, science, and philosophy. Diop's research sparked a renaissance of African consciousness and pride, igniting a flame of cultural reclamation across the continent. Despite facing resistance and criticism from some quarters, Diop persisted in his mission to rewrite history. He established the Radiocarbon Laboratory in Dakar, Senegal, to conduct scientific research and further validate his findings. His work earned him international recognition and respect, solidifying his status as a pioneering scholar. Cheikh Anta Diop's legacy extends far beyond his academic achievements. He was a champion of African unity and the liberation of his people from the shackles of colonialism. He believed that a thorough understanding of history could empower African nations to build a better future. With his passion, intellect, and unwavering commitment, Cheikh Anta Diop became a beacon of knowledge, inspiring generations to reconnect with their African roots. His work continues to resonate today, reminding us of the importance of embracing our history, culture, and heritage.